In this short video, I will explain how to use and understand the lump sum savings insight. Insights are conversation starters between you and your clients, which show quick strategies. They sit outside the plan, which means they do not alter the plan. In a couple of clicks, Voyant Insights can help you with a possible savings and investment strategy, or can show the impact of a market crash. Insights are not advice. In this plan, we can see that Simon and Helen potentially cannot meet their retirement goal. This is shown by the shortfall in the plan, denoted by the red bars, and also the goal tracking here. The lump sum insight can help you, and more importantly your client, understand the potential lump sum that would need to be invested at a defined event in a plan to help them achieve their goals and remove the shortfall. The figure the lump sum saving insight produces is a new amount and is in addition to any existing savings, investment and pension contributions your clients are already making. So let's run the insight. I'm going to click the Insights tab up here. Each insight, as you can see, has a brief description of what it does. Let's click down here onto the lump sum savings insight. Once selected, each insight has a more detailed description. In the case of the lump sum savings insight, it's possible to pinpoint the analysis to any modelled event. So you would click on Change to select the target event. I'm going to leave it at the retirement event and I'm going to click on Get Started. The result box shows the additional lump sum amount that needs to be brought into the plan to remove the shortfall and hence for your clients to achieve their goals. In this case, it's that 187,000. You can click on Compare to Plan in the top right here to compare the insight results to the original plan. You can also then click on the simulation chart to return to the single chart. As with all charts in Voyant, you can change the chart view. Switch details on or off and go to year view. Year view is a great feature. It helps you understand what's happening in the plan year on year. For this lump sum insight, I'm going to go directly to 2039 when the lump sum occurs, and also look at the investment tab. You can see the lump sum amount received in the target year. Here it is, and it's received into a system created needs analysis account. The needs analysis account type is an unwrapped investment and it uses the growth rate and fees from your plan settings and the product rules associated with an unwrapped investment. Voyant will spend the funds in the need analysis account in accordance with the standard expense fulfillment and liquidation order. This is not advice. Insights are a guide. The lump sum insight is a useful tool if your client is a business owner, as it can help understand the net amount they would need to sell their business at. If your clients are considering downsizing, you can check the estimated property value in this year to see if it's feasible. So click on property and you can see the estimated value. You may then wish to create a what if to show the results, for example, of a downsize. Our inline help feature is also available in Insights. Click on the dots and the inline help window will open. Inline help has a brief explanation of the topic and links to our knowledge base, articles and videos. The lump sum insight is also available in report form under the Insights section. The report generated will use the results from inputs you used to run the insight. I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.